Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, I will give you some free art resources that I have been using almost daily for my own artwork, either for referencing or for learning. I'm gonna give you a total of 5. The last one can be a bit controversial, and if you want to find out why, then stick around. Okay, so the first one is a website called PoseMy.Art. So this is a website that I came across very recently. I was searching for a 3D website where I can make my own poses using a 3D mannequin and look at them from different angles. And while searching, PoseMy.Art was the website that I thought is the best one that is out there. So what basically happens on this website is that you have mannequins. You have these 3D people and you can use them to create your own poses and watch them from different angles. Now the great thing about this is the amount of options that you get. You don't just get one kind of body type. You get many, and there is a whole library of poses created by maybe other users that are using this website, and there's like countless. Like there's so many poses in the library, it's not even possible to go through all of them. Most of them are actually pretty good poses, so you can just look around in the library, and if you like something, then you can draw it. Now it is free, but if you want to save your poses so that you can draw it some other time, then you have to buy a subscription. And honestly, the website is so good that if you can, then you should just probably buy a subscription and support the creator of the website. Next resource is another website called Draw a Box. Now, Draw a Box is a website where you have free art lessons that teach you how to draw. And these are very basic stuff. I don't use it anymore, but when I was starting as an artist, this was a very helpful website for me. This website is for someone who is an absolute beginner and want to get into art. If you want to learn how to draw lines, how to draw circles, how to draw a box. And I would say even if you know certain stuff, then I think this is still a useful website for you, because the thing that they teach you is applicable even for advanced level artists. So it is for beginners, but I think everyone can take advantage of this. And this is all free, so you are not losing anything. I think if you want to learn basics of art, like drawing circles, squares, and build from simple shapes, then this is a website that I would definitely recommend to you. Now the next resource that I would recommend you is Artstation. Artstation is a website where professional artists showcase their art, but it's not only that, it is also a marketplace where artists sell their stuff. Now most of the things that you find in Artstation marketplace are not free, but if you look around, you will find a lot of free stuff there. Free tutorials, free brushes, and free references. And I have personally downloaded a lot of them for myself, and I think they are pretty good. So if you're looking for references for your artwork and for just general drawing practice, then I think Artstation can be pretty helpful for you. The next resource on this list is YouTube, which is kind of obvious. Like YouTube is the place to go if you want tutorials of anything, art, animation, 3D, any kind of tutorial you want. I myself have used YouTube the most for learning art than any other website. There are many great channels that upload many great art tutorial videos like Broco, Cynics Design, Ross Draws, Ahmed Alduri, and there are many more. So if you are not using YouTube for learning, then I don't know what you're doing. Like this is the best place to learn. Like if you truly wish to learn, then YouTube is right there. There should be absolutely no complaining that there are not enough resources, because there is. So go and learn on YouTube. Okay, so now let's talk about the last one, which is also the controversial one. The website is called Bili Bili. It is a Chinese website, like a Chinese YouTube, and here you can find a lot of resources that can help you to learn art, like courses, video tutorials, and stuff like that. Now why did I say that it's controversial? Well, because a lot of these resources are actually stolen content. What I mean to say is that normally the content that is available on Bili Bili can only be accessed if you pay for it. Like there are artists that are making courses and tutorials and they are selling that stuff, right? Maybe on Patreon or Gumroad, but you can find a lot of these resources on Bili Bili completely for free, which is illegal. But it's a Chinese website, so I think it works differently in China. I don't know. Now, I do not condone stealing other artists' stuff, their content, their work. But if you do not have money to pay for the contents for courses, then I think it's fine. Like you have found something here, and if you want to use this to learn, then I think it should be fine. But if you can't pay for it, then I would definitely say that go to the artist website and buy from them directly and pay them, support them, so they can keep making more stuff. But if you do not have the money, then I think it's fine. You know, you're just learning, you're just trying to learn, right? So I think it should be fine. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. Like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.